How to change font in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to change the font in WhatsApp, you have to change the font of the device itself. So launch the settings application on your device. Now scroll down and tap on the option of display over here. Scroll down again and tap on the option of font right over here. So let's select on font and it will land us to a new page where you can see different fonts based on your preference. You can select whichever is more convenient for you. So I'm gonna select on random one for now, and you'll be able to see the preview over here as well. So if you like it, you can simply just tap on free downloads and you can simply download it and apply it. And if not, you can simply change it and you can select some other font as well. So I'm going to tap on the free download over here, wait for a few seconds and then tap on apply. Now as you apply it, you can simply go back and relaunch WhatsApp and you'll be able to see the font has been changed in WhatsApp as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.